Hi everybody, welcome back to another CYT-Crypto episode. My name's Stephen Aitchison, and today we're going to be talking about something that I've never gone into before. I'm going to be touching upon yield farming, but more importantly I'm going to be talking about a project I think could be absolutely massive, and nobody's really talking about it, and I'm not... When I first looked at it I thought this is too good to be true, so I kind of dismissed it, but then I kept on looking at it and I thought this project could actually explode. It could actually be really, really massive. But I want to tell you how I came about it. So really what I was doing, I wanted to kind of stake my cake tokens that I had. So I want to stack and stake my cake, which I've been doing for a while. I've told you about it. I've made kind of a couple of videos on cake as well, and why I think it's going to go to $100. So I was looking at the platform and looking at the pools and the farming pools as well. And it kind of got me interested in what farming was and what liquidity pools were and exactly how they work. So I thought, okay, I'm just going to kind of look at it and really see what it's all about. But first of all, I wanted to get a higher return higher return staking rewards for my cake. Currently, PancakeSwap are doing returns of around 70%, which is good. Which is really good. So if we look at the pools just now in PancakeSwap, so if you go into AutoCake, and you could get APY of 72, nearly 73%, which is fantastic. And PancakeSwap have got $112 million cake tokens staked at the moment, which is a ton of money. They've got about $11 billion staked altogether. So I thought 72% is really good. I'm going to put it all in there and leave it for a while and wait till the NFT marketplace opens as well. Hopefully get some Pancake Squad NFTs with that and stake the rest for a long time until it reaches $100 or something. But I thought, I wonder if there's better returns out there. So I went to a site called DeFi Llama. DeFi Llama tells you about all the kind of platforms out there that are kind of lending. Got the lending protocol and the borrowing protocol and anything to do with DeFi, and it's got on all of the protocols, so all level ones. And so I was looking at this, I thought, okay, what's going to give me a good return on kind of cake? And so I thought I'll look at the Binance listings. So we click on Binance here and see what the best DeFi ones are. And a total value locked on Binance alone is 17.28 billion according to DeFi Llama. And PancakeSwap dominance is 28.43%. So I was kind of going down this list and I came across one called Planet Finance. So if we go into Planet Finance, it's actually moved up. So it was kind of lower than this, but it's moved up to position number 16. And the total value locked is going up every single day. So I was kind of looking at this and I just clicked on it, and we'll go to Planet Finance just now. So this is what Planet Finance is. Basically you've got different coloured planets for the different kind of platforms or the different protocols that they're going to be doing, or the different types of cryptocurrencies that they're going to be using. So they've got for stablecoins it's a blue planet, for cryptos it's a red planet, Uranus is like the shitcoins in there as well, and they've got the green planet coming out, which is interesting as well, which is for lending. That's not actually out yet, so you can't click on that, but if you click on Uranus, for example, you'll see the different types of coins they have in here. Now don't be offended if you see a couple of yours in here called shitcoins. You've got XRP in there, I believe you've got ADA in there as well. Aqua and Cake. So they called it shitcoins, but Cake is obviously not a shitcoin, and neither is XRP or Uni or BNB. So they're taking a lot of these kind of small ones out. So that's under Uranus just now. So essentially these are doing the same kind of thing. So basically what you're doing is you're providing liquidity for a lot of these tokens like Aqua and BNB. You're providing liquidity for BNB and Aqua Cake, providing liquidity there, and you're getting these returns, these amazing returns on your investment, 2.86 thousand% or so. 2,800% returns on that. And it just got me thinking, how does this work? But I'll do that in another video. I just want to tell you about this project alone, because there's something coming out that's going to be really quite timely. So they've got these different planets, where they say they've got stablecoins, cryptos, Uranus, they've got the lending one coming up, they've got the NFT marketplace coming up as well, which is going to be the pink planet. So if we click over to cryptos, for example, you've got different tokens in there, although there's some similar, so I think they're going to bring some together. So you've got Aqua USD cake that you can do, and this is the one that I was originally looking for. So if I stake my cake here, I get 90.77% APY on that. Now APY and APR are totally different. APY is a compounded interest that you're going to get over the year. APR is just the annual percentage return, or annual percentage rate that you're going to get. So you need to know the difference between APY and APR because it's quite important, but these show APY figures here. So APY cake, you're going to get 90% back, which is 18% better than PancakeSwap are given. And this is why I initially kind of found this as well. But then I started looking around on this and seeing that the Aqua token, you're getting 249% back. So I started looking into the Aqua token. So I looked on DEX tools to see what was there, and then immediately I seen, okay, the total liquidity is 77,000. I thought that is not good at all. Then the daily volume is only 42,000. I thought, I don't understand what's going on here, but the market cap is 65 million. And I thought, for the site and everything that it's offering, it didn't, there was a disparity there between what was seen in the figures. So I asked in the group, actually this morning, and said, why is there such a disparity? Because I was ready to jump. I was almost FOMOing into this because it looked so good. If you check out the website and everything they've got going on, which I'll show you in a second, this was the only thing stopping me. And then they told me that because they're using their own AMM, automated market maker, all the liquidity is there. So I'm going to show you something. If we were to go on to PancakeSwap and if we were to buy the Alpha or the Aqua token, so click on that. So say we had $10,000 worth, we'll just go to USDT just to make it look easier. And how much would that buy me? If I kind of say $10,000 worth, and it'll come up in a second. PancakeSwap's a wee bit slow. They'll come up in a second. So you can see for $10,000 I would get 9.2 Aqua tokens, but the price impact is 20%. So this is, I kind of looked at this and I just thought this is something wrong here. However, if you then go on to buy Aqua and you used BUSD, which is the same as USDT, I noticed you could get for $10,000 11.54 Aqua, which is currently about $850, and the price impact is only 1.5%. So that's what they were explaining in the group, to say they're using their own AMM. So it's not going through PancakeSwap, it's actually going through their own AMM. So all the liquidity is over there. So if you're going to buy this, don't buy it on PancakeSwap. Buy it on their own AMM. So if you look at CoinGecko, Planet Finance, and go down to the bottom, you can see it lists for PancakeSwap. But we don't want to use PancakeSwap. And it's saying the volume is only 45,000. So that's not the case. It's because they're using their own AMM. So, as just a word of warning, if you want to buy this, don't buy it on PancakeSwap. Actually buy it through their own platform, which is really easy. Just clicking on base here. Any one of the planets you can do this on, the blue planet as well, the stablecoins planet. Buy Aqua. And we'll go to USD. 11.54, 1.5% impact. So that's the first thing you need to know about this. So you might see some disparity there, and I think it might have put a lot of people off because we're that used to going over to DEX tools and looking at this as well. So this is something to kind of look at as well. So I would buy it from there if you're going to buy it. However, what they're going to be coming out with in the future is something called the Green Planet, which is a lending platform. So if we go over to exactly what Planet Finance is, and the documentation here is really second to none. They just make you kind of really understand what this is all about. So I would definitely take a look at the documents, which you can get from checking on here, just where it says, you see the wee document symbol here on any of the planets, the red planet, blue planet, or Uranus. You'll be able to check it there as well. It tells you what it is, and there's something coming out called the Green Planet, and it's a dynamic, decentralized lending protocol that pays you to lend and borrow, powered by Gamma. What is Gamma? Gamma is going to be the new token that's going to be coming out. If you click on here, it's going to be a new token that's coming out. It's going to be the reward token for this. So there's going to be a maximum supply of 100 million Gamma tokens, and there's going to be a daily distribution of 100,000 Gamma tokens. So it's got utility for it. You can stake it. There's 3 different levels for increased yields and reduced fees, etc. And to incentivize liquidity providers in the Gamma BNB liquidity pool as well. So it's got all these kind of utilities as well, and it's for the gamification of that. So it tells you how it works, but it's not out yet. However, if you buy the Aqua token just now, and there's only 100,000 Aqua token in existence, and that's deflation as well. They're burning that every day, but there's only going to be ever a maximum supply of 100,000, but they've burned already. If you buy the Aqua tokens before the launch of the Green Planet and the Gamma token, for every Aqua token that you have, you're going to get 50 Gamma tokens. Now, we don't know how much the Gamma tokens are going to be worth. Could be 50 cents, could be $1, it could be $10, we just don't know. But because it's going to be deflationary, because it's going to be a reward token as well, because of the scarcity, I think it could be much more than $1, obviously. So I think this is one of the reasons I kind of looked into it and said, okay, I'm going to get some Aqua tokens so I can get these Gamma tokens as well and really kind of use this platform to the max. So I'm staking some Aqua tokens at the moment. So here you can see the yield that you're going to get. So I'm just staking here. I'm not yield farming. I'm not providing liquidity. I'm just essentially staking here for 249% APY, which is good enough for me. And I'll get rewards of around, I think I'll get rewards. I'll get a lot of rewards over $100 a day for that. So I want to do this because I'm going to get 50 Gamma tokens for every Aqua token that I have. So once the Gamma tokens come out, obviously I can provide liquidity in other areas like Cake and get that 2,500% for the APY for providing liquidity for that as well. But again, if we go back, DEX tools still give you the charts for it. You can still do the charts for DEX tools. It's saying $854 there. But this is a rise of Planet Finance just now. Now it did go up to around $1,100 and came back down to $600 before going back up again. And I think it's going to start rising from here as more and more people find out about this. Not a lot of people know about this project. And it can still be confusing for some people, and me as well, until I start looking into it, specifically with the yield farming. But if you look at Planet Finance, just assess it alone on the total value locked. The total value locked is about 218 million just now, or 221 million the total value locked is. And if you look at the market cap, 65 million market cap just now. Circulating supply just now is only 76 million just now, and that's only going to come down as well. Aqua burned is 218, which is quite a lot. It's around about $218,000 worth. And that's only going to come down I'll bring the circulating supply down as well. So if you look at it from the tokenomics point of view, and look at the market cap especially as well, compared to the market cap of some of the other ones out there. So this is specifically for yield farming. I'm just looking at some of the yield farmers out there. PancakeSwap, 4 billion. You've got Aave, 4 billion as well. Obviously Aave is the kind of top dog. Compound, which just sent its users, I think, $80 million worth by accident, but $1.8 billion. So even for Planet Finance to get to $1 billion, you're talking a 20x from here for $1 billion. But when you look at the total value locked of some of these, so if you look at the top 5, and on CoinGecko, it'll give you something called a TVL ratio. So you can see market cap to TVL ratio, and it tells you exactly what it is here if you hover over here. Ratio of market capitalization over total value locked of this asset. So a ratio of more than 1 refers to its market cap being greater than its total value locked. So the lower the number, the better. So PancakeSwap has 0.9, which is good. If we look at Uniswap, market capitalization 13 billion. And if we look at the total value locked, it's 4.6 billion. So that gives a market cap TVL ratio of 2.82, which is higher than PancakeSwap. So PancakeSwap on paper would be better. Aave is 0.26. So the market capitalization is 4 billion, but the total value locked is 15.1 billion. So the market cap here is 0.26, which is really good. This is why it's kind of topping all the charts. If we look at Sushi, for example, 0.41, which is really good. Sushi could be really good as well. Compound, 0.19, probably one of the better ones out there with regards to market cap to total value locked ratio. So 0.19. But if we look at Planet Finance, this is 1.8 billion. If we look at Planet Finance, we see it's 0.3 for the market cap TVL ratio, which is fantastic. It's got $220 million locked up just now compared to a market cap of 65 million. Plus they're going to be bringing out the Green Planet, which is going to be for lending, which is going to put that TVL even higher. So this ratio is going to come down, but I would imagine the price of Planet Finance is going to go up once mainstream kind of starts to learn about this. So I think this could be an absolute belter of a project. I can see easily reaching $1 billion, which is around 18x from here. But definitely do your own research. Look into particularly the documents that they have, because the documents are just amazing for you to understand this project better. It's probably the best written I've seen in the other one. I've tried to look at other ones, it just kind of put me off. But these documents are fantastic. If you look at this, join the Telegram group as well. And let me know what your thoughts are on this as well. I think it could be amazing, but you might see something different from this. So it'd be good to get your thoughts on this as well. And I'll do another video on kind of yield farming on Planet Finance as well. But I want to share the opportunity before the Green Planet goes live. So you could get your Aqua tokens if you want to get in on this. Get the Aqua tokens and get 50 Gamma tokens from the Green Planet airdropped to you for every one Aqua token that you have. And it has to be a full one Aqua token. Okay, that's it for just now. Let me know your thoughts down below. Until next time, namaste. Take care. Bye now.